What is going on today, YouTube? So, I no longer live in Tennessee. I moved back down to Florida. I brought Cody's truck with me. I couldn't bring two trucks, so I traded the Silverado for a set of 26x16s that you've seen go on Cody's truck. And so, I can buy wheels for Cody's truck and sell the expensive wheels, or, somewhere else. Or I can buy something else. It's hectic. I moved back down to Florida. I still haven't gotten into my house. Currently live in my truck, basically. As you can see, all my stuff. And so, I'm trying to make content. I'm trying to, keep stuff rolling. But it's not going to be all of my content. We're going to go to, my buddies' houses that I have down here in Florida. They have just cars everywhere. It's kind of crazy how many of my buddies just have cars everywhere in their yard. So we're gonna go to my brother's buddy's house. He's got a couple square bodies, and he also has a turbo cat eye that is actually pretty sweet. It's lowered. So we'll go check that out, and then if my other buddy starts working on stuff, we'll go over to his house. He's got a sweet wide body Porsche that he paid $200 for. So we're gonna go check out all of my friends' stuff, see what they have, and I'm just happy to be back in Florida. It just feels great. I don't know how to explain it. It feels me. I feel home now. I feel like I can go out and talk to people because I know people here. I know my family's here. My friends are here. I could just go hang out with my friends. Up there, I didn't really click with people, so it was just different for me. Even though it's a life-changing event that I did, but I learned from it, It's not something that you just dwell on. I tried, it was me, I don't know how to put it. I just had to come back home. I was homesick, family, friends, everything like that. But I'm back, and I know how Marketplace works down here, so I can do so much more stuff down here. It just sucked because, up there, they had, this winter thing where everyone puts their trucks away for, 4 months or whatever, and they don't drive them, so they don't do trading. Down here in Florida, they do trading year-round, whatever. It doesn't matter. The only thing we don't do is boats. Do not get a freaking boat off Marketplace. You don't do it. I learned from it. Bought a boat for $15,000 and couldn't sell it for $4,000. It was a center console boat, what everyone down here in Florida wants, and you still can't sell it. Do not get a boat. Sorry for yelling. So, let's head over to my brother's buddy's house, see what they got going on over there, and then we'll go to my buddy Ron's house, and maybe we'll buy something. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just bored. This is an update. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we arrived over here. Got a sweet old square body. This is my brother's truck. I think he's swapping in a jet engine of some type. Doesn't seem to be too rusty. Maybe a little. Missing the old door over there. We got this sweet old, wait. I don't know where this motor is. Looks like it's getting horsepower stuff. Ooh. Looks like he's getting some horsepower. Oh. There we go. This is getting a transmission. Yep, there's transmission. What are we doing under here?
Tranny swapping. Pick it up.
What gender?
Oh, shit. Neutral.
That was the last transmission. All right, so this is my brother Cod Muffin. Derek, what's your nickname?
Swamp Donkey.
Swamp Donkey. Thought that was Dakota's name.
Oh, it's sort of fall out.
Well, if you get the front, I can get this back picked up.
You know Harbor Freight sells a Transjack, right?
Yeah.
We got one right
Those
here.
are illegal to have on these days. Where's the training bolts?
I don't know.
We should probably get one over here.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea. Here's one, two.
Well, no, right.
Alright, I got it. Who needs a training jack? We got old Colin moving down here.
Y'all just must be the trans part, huh?
Where did the bolt go?
Come on, Eric. Push it out a little bit. Came out the pin. There it goes.
Slingshot. Engage.
I just noticed this little contraption y'all got here.
What is that?
This nature
Oh, that's the motor mount.
This nature jack.
You good?
So this transmission came out of here. That's the transfer case for it. Now that transmission goes in. That transfer case goes in, I believe. It's like a whole contraption. I don't know what they got going on. There's too many trannies around here.
Strong man.
I'm a big strong man. Oh, you're leaking.
You're leaking motor oil. What it look like.
Shove it in there.
I can't see the hole. It's in there though.
You're going in crooked.
I'm a big mean dinosaur. Where's your jug for the gear oil?
I burned it.
Did you?
What do you plan on doing with that one?
Stick it in the hole. You got a hole. You twist this loose and let it.
Oh, you talking about this one right here or something?
Do its dribble into the. You know.
You think that's gonna work?
I don't think it's gonna work, but it'd be cool if it did. I think I'll do it.
You want me a little bit holer or a big bit holer?
Like cut that whole sticker out.
The whole sticker. God, no. Look at this butter now. Going to work.
I think we can cut hot butter.
Oh, don't dump. Don't dump. No dumpty.
That thing don't work weekends.
Yeah, I think it doesn't work weekdays. That's good, dang, easy.
You said
Golly.
the whole dang sticker out.
Yeah, but you missed a whole half-inch sticker on this side. I will. Oh. It got me. It got me,
Is
boo-boo.
it flowing in?
I think so. Hey, get that bucket just in case, Derek, hurry. Just in case we get an overflow.
Like fast? Like
Like-
hurry quicker?
Yeah, like, hurry in me quicker.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying right now.
Oh, God.
Hazard pay. There's a huge problem.
Hey, what, did it like overflow or something?
Yeah.
I thought that wasn't gonna happen.
Well, I think we're full. I didn't think about this part.
That's a good possibility. I don't think the transfer case holds a gallon, but
Here, let me.
Here, I got an idea.
Let me hold this jug right here. You
Look.
put your thumb over the other jug.
What, no, where's the cap at? Where's the cap for the other jug?
Cap for the
right here.
Cap for the decal.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, God.
It's a terrible idea. Why'd you let me do it? You're blood everywhere.
It's bad. It's so bad. There's blood everywhere. The bunk beds were a terrible idea. Why did you let us do that?
yep. Go to this truck's bleeding out. I think she's. I told you to grab the bucket.
Well, get the pull the top jug off.
The ported
It's
top.
off. It's shut off. Right?
No, and pull it out, and what we can do is open that hole back up. Open the hole back up.
Here, you gonna hold it?
Yeah, well, God
I'm
knows.
trying to let it go. You done made a dang mess in here. Bartleby.
What's Bartle do? Malt licky.
Oh gosh, she's running out of my crevice.
Look.
Open
Kenny.
it up and dump this down in there.
Yeah.
I'll pull out the holes.
Yep. Now
Will you bring her
pick
in
her
here?
up. Pick her up. And shove that back into it.
Well, I figured you stuck your finger.
$30 fucking right here.
Figured you just stuck your finger over the hole.
I didn't think as much as you didn't think on this, Kenny.
Well, I did think. I just didn't think about that. It ain't full though.
What do you mean it ain't full? Better be.
Well, it ain't. It's
All right.
a lot harder than it looks, guys. Just saying that.
All right. What are you trying to do now? What's the second scenario here?
Take your finger and stick it in and see if you feel any fluids. I see how that could be a problem.
Hold on.
Just lick it. There you go.
Oh, about this, she's dry. 19.
I don't think anything went in it.
No, there's something.
Oh, it might be running to the radiator like it was.
Well, I got the coolant line unhooked on it. Well, my problem is my nipple's a little short now. So she doesn't fit in there.
Oh, that's much gooder.
Yeah.
A little more, much better.
I'm definitely liking this improvision one. Yeah,
What you had going on?
the last contraption wasn't working as good.
All right, let's see if it moves. Nope, needs more. Put it in reverse. Little, add more to it. All right. Try it.
I got like maybe a half a quart here.
That's good. Be careful because of the trans mount. Add some more.
I got half a quart. You want to top that off?
Yeah. I'm just watching the whole motor.
That's the rest of that good. Now I put another half a quart in there.
Run it through all the gears.
Hey, tell me we got to put oil in it.
Uh-oh.
We gotta get that shit running.
Motor locked up.
I might a little poo.
That fucking camper about to smack his ass.
What's got an impact for this?
Well, I think we gotta go back down and move it over one.
Just one, yeah.
Look at my pee-pee.
Look at that thing, boy. It's got hydraulics on it, boy. Here we go, here we go. Snoop Dogg in this thing, too. Yeah, the old cherry picker snapping down. A little bit more, man.
A little bit. You got all of it on.
This one's going in this truck, right?
Yeah.
We'll put it in the cat eye.
Small block in that truck.
And then LS swap into the square body. That's what you should have done.
Well, we got the turbo and everything for this.
Yeah.
We're having a bad day. Keep driving.
Hold on, Daddy.
Hold
Hold on, Daddy.
Are you gonna climb over the truck too, or you just gonna climb over?
Oh, easy. Come on in. There you go. Atta girl. Wait.
Set it the way.
Wait, hold that up.
Set it the way.
Hold on.
We might clear it.
Nope.
We might clear it.
Nope. It was about to hit the distributor.
Hey, cherry picker won't go forward. So battery terminal wire in the way.
Jack in the way.
Jack will be fine.
Will it?
Yeah, jack me off.
Jack is right in the way.
What, Jack? Anyway.
Because then you can't get the cherry picker.
It was hitting the heater core, I should have said.
Hey, can you snatch? Right here. This thing, my nuts are hitting. There we go.
We're clear, Daddy.
We're clear now.
We're clear, Daddy.
We're clear now.
Uh-oh, battery terminal cable.
Again?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
This thing has batteries? I thought that we're putting a motor in it, so it ain't gotta do electric.
So here's where we're gonna run into a problem now.
Yeah, big one.
Electric.
Woogie,
Set it
woogie,
down.
woogie.
We're out there from the front.
That's what she said. Grab me from the front, Poppy. Hey, you want to pull the motor back so I don't hit the core support?
No, just shut it down.
No, that's what will hold it. It might slide in, dude.
I think you push back.
Well, once the oil pan touches that cross member, you probably slide the cherry picker that way easily. No, look, set it down some more. Set it down a little more. Look, now it should slide. The cherry picker you can pick up and slide now.
Passing mouse, baby.
Oh, we get up in here? Oh, wait, hold on a second. Do this. Pick up the turn a little bit. Come on down in here a little bit. Oh, easy.
Oh,
a little bit.
Go up a little bit.
Yeah.
The tire. Fix that tire, strong boy.
Get it, swamp donkey.
Get it, Donk Swampy.
Oh, I'm not even on the lug. Stupid. I'm trying to line it up, old girl.
Yeah, hard way.
Who?
Darn tootin'.
You want me to do it?
No.
The easy way. Whoa.
Oh, back it up. Right there. Boom.
See?
You said you're gonna pick the tire up.
I did.
I did not see none of that.
Is that? Can y'all push that cherry picker anymore?
I'm falling down now. Watch out, let down a little bit.
You use your touch alignment tool.
I don't use that shit. Shit's for women. Huh? I don't use those tools.
You're right there at it.
I told you if I just let it down a little bit.
You got one. I'll put one in on this side.
I'm trying to know what I'm doing.
Just like no, this cherry picker ain't go down far enough in the motor mount.
There we go.
We'll put a body lift on the motor.
Looks straight to me.
We got this one in over here.
It's in?
Yep.
Fuck.
What?
Take it back apart. I ain't got to be a pop bearing.
Are you serious right now?
You in your garage.
It's because the cover doesn't have any sidetracked on that. We're gonna do. He's got a pilot bearing.
He's got a pilot bearing in that one.
He's got an automatic.
Oh, golly.
We got it where we don't need it.
Let's just swap the transmissions.
Why don't we just switch the motors, I guess.
Or that. So we put a transmission in it. Now the carb's messing up, so we got to swap a carb onto it. This truck got the motor set in last night. I think we need headers and a couple other things before it's ready to be put completely together and fired up. We got a guy out here buying the cab off of this Scottsdale out here. Now you're loosening up the swivel up there. You're gonna have to tighten it back up.
Gotta retighten that.
That's how you put a long.
So we got the carburetor hooked up. Now we're putting the headers on, and then we can dress everything up and get her running. All right, so now we got the spark plug wired on, y'all. It's almost like y'all just watched me do this, like literally a month ago. Now we're gonna zip tie these up and make them look nice on my brother's raggedy truck. All right, so there we go. There's a zip tie trick. You can also put these on the back side if you wanted to and make it even cleaner. But it's going on this, so that'll be fine. Or you can do it this way and make it a little nicer. But now they're all up off. All you gotta do is pull this back through. It'll come off the header here. Then we'll be golden.
Need some brake fluid? No, I don't know. I guarantee it starts first time for me, but Derek over here did his shit.
There she is. Hey, don't be messing with my setup I got in there. All right, she's clearing just enough. So where we last left off, this is running. We got a fender put on, got the battery set in there. Radiator lines are hooked up without hose clamps, but so this one's done for now. Now we got Swamp Donks over here changing old fenders out. He did a nice paint job, as you can tell.
Beautiful. Perfect shade job.
Dude, you sanded these nice.
One like this. I don't think it's good enough.
That's why we're changing them. Somebody, it looks like they wanted to stuff 3/4s on a stock lift or something. So this one's out. You just got to put the inner fender well in. Let's do it. All right, fender's on, inner liner's in. He's just got to put the marker light back in.
Garbage.
Much gooda.
think I could reuse that battery tray, do you think?
Yeah, should work. It's crazy. They didn't bolt those in from factory or what?
Nah, they're just a quick snap. I have to go buy the brackets at Home Depot.
All right, we got both fenders switched out. Got the bezels back in. That one's still a little, we won't worry about that. But she looks much gooder. He's probably looking for this thing. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I appreciate all y'all watching. Let me know down in the comments if you like this kind of content a little better, just, you know, all these trucks getting worked on and everything like that. I have one lucky winner from the last video. He won $50. His name is Nathaniel Bird. DM me on Instagram and I'll get you your money, bud. I appreciate you supporting me for this long. I haven't worked on an XJ in like 7 years. I appreciate it, man. So guys, smash the like button, subscribe, my dad's calling, and catch you on the next one.